Hi everyone, my name is Paula Empadilla, Bachelor of Science, Hospitality Management. My reaction about Internet of Things. Ang reaction ko po dito sa Internet of Things is Internet of Things can vary in depending of your perspective, interest, and concern. Napanood ko po siya, excitement, convenience. Internet of Things can make life easier by automating a task such as controlling home appliances remotely, optimize energy use, or tracking fitness goals. Fascination with investigation. The idea of everyday objects being connected and smart can be feel futuristic and exciting. It's impressive how technology can transform ordinary items like refri- refrigerators, watches, or cars into intelligent device. Optimize for efficiency. Internet of Things has the potential to improve efficiency in industry like agriculture, healthcare, and manufacturing. For example, smart irrigation system can save water, and wearable health device can make monitor patients in real time. Ito po ang mga advantage natin. Time saving, automation, and digital service significance reduce the time required for tasks. For example, online shopping, mobile payments, and cloud-based document sharing enable is instant access and transaction. And accessibility, remote access to service means people can work from anywhere, control device by smartphone, and access personal data without being physically present. This is especially helpful for businesses and individuals managing multiple responsibilities. Integration with other service. Many modern systems work seamless together, enhancing functionality. For instance, a smartphone can be linked to a smartwatch, a home security system, and financial accounts allowed as centralized experience. Ang disadvantage, cybersecurity. Threats, the more convenient a system is, the more vulnerable it often becomes to cyber attack, including hacking, phishing, and data breaches. For example, using a weak password for an online user for attackers to gain unauthorized access. Privacy concerns. Many digital services collect vast amounts of user data which can be measured or sold to third parties. Social media, online shopping, and smart device continuously track user behavior, raising ethical and legal concern. Lack of control. modern service, especially cloud-based ones, store data on internet service. Users have been little control in where their information is stored and how it's managed, leading to potential security risks. Ayun lang po ang aking internet uplinks. Thank you. Bye.